Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to share with you how to create a new topic on Flipgrid. So first you go to a browser and type flipgrid.com, enter, and you can sign up as an educator if it is the first time. For the second time later, you can log in and then it automatically show you the dashboard. So in this one, if you select a group, so you can see that I have around 48 groups and topics. I have 309 topics. For activities over here, you can see I have around 6.9k videos. So now I show you how to create a topic. You have to select on topics and create it. So over here, I want to develop a new topics that give feedback to the YouTube, for example. To the intensive, maybe intensive period. Intensive to the intensive. It must be around 35 characters. So please share with your friends what you have done, learned, and impressed about your period of intern internship this semester of 2011. Sorry, 2021. Okay, and we can continue with the select. It could be a video you can record immediately, upload it, or you can get it from YouTube. Upload an image and refill emojis, Microsoft etc. over here. So I select this one, and I need to go to the new tab and try to log into a video. Maybe I get my video. So this is a sample from my students, and I get a server link, or I can just get it from here, for example. Then I copy it, or you can shove it right here in uh, internship period. And you can see it's right here. Click on it, and then copy the link. Then so we go back to this one and put the link here. Next, okay, and add. Okay, so I can add one more thing. You can watch a sample from the forward video. Okay, I can even add more. I can add more video, maybe one more. Continue, and maybe I should go to the same link. I have one more from another students. Intense. It should be here. No, I don't have it here. So I can upload it. I can upload from the video. So I download it from my student. Canary. She sent me a video. I can upload it from here. Okay, so for this one, I download it on this place video. Then I can upload it there. So I come here and I try to upload. Continue. I upload a video from this one. Next, and I can select frame now. I think that's everything okay. Then upload it into the program Flipgrid. We have to wait for it to load. It could take a few seconds. It depends on our internet connection. Okay, and that's done. Okay, successful and done. So we have two media now. Okay, so I can see view on media. This one too. And I can turn this into a link in a way that redirect the link or in the video. Okay, link right here. Okay, and I can add some students right here. I can get my student. I can get some students. So I need to get some email of my student. Um, okay, maybe I try this one. Let's see. Copy the link, post it in here. Okay, or you can have another as well. Maybe this one. Okay, it is depend on how many students do you have. Then we can add password, or we can turn on moderation, and then we can change the time maybe to 5 minutes only, and then everything done to create it. And that's on for this creating topic. But now you can copy the link, or you can download the QR code, and on that you can send the link to student, or you can view a student right here, so that student will need to sign in and do the register, or they can start to record, respond right here, etc. Thank you.